All right, I'm in the elevator going to my first mammogram. I'm 41, I know I'm a little late, but first time. It's definitely not something to be afraid of, but it is something to be, you know, like, I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but we'll see. In my gown, I didn't have deodorant on, but she gave me a wipe for my deodorant and a gown in a bag. And this is the machine. Looks a little scary, but we'll see. Let's go. All done. That wasn't bad at all. So it's over and done with. The whole process lasted maybe 10-15 minutes or so, maybe 10 minutes really. It was really short, but it wasn't a bad experience. It was, to me, not a bad first. She did kind of warn me, like, don't freak out if they call us back, because they have no imagery to kind of compare it to. So in case there's like some tissue that might be a little dense and they might want to visualize it again, they may call me back. So don't be surprised if you know, kind of, if that happens. But otherwise it was really good. I thought it was a good experience. If you haven't done it, schedule it. I'm over 40. I didn't do one for my 40th, but I did it for my 41st. If you're 40, around the age of 40, if you have a familial history, make sure you get checked. This is just kind of one of those things that are like, get it done. There's no harm in getting it done. It's better to know than not to know and kind of wait and question.